So, yesterday,
What we've done so far is we have looked at evolution through the time scale. We've looked at Precambrian, the book and the videos, and we can see during the Precambrian nothing happened until 2,500 million years ago, which is 3.5 billion years ago.
so these are the dates that should have been on your calendars. Remember, the sections of the calendars are not equal. So Precambrian is all the way through November.
Paleozoic era, and so we have all these things.
The quaternary is
And what we did
1.6
was
billion years.
we took our
That's
personal
only like
calendars,
2 hours
like
on December
this,
31st.
And we made the entire 4.6 billion years into 1 year, and we calendared all these things on our model scale down, geologic time scale, which is 1 year. So you should have that front and back with notes taken from the book, from reading the book, and from the videos, and from Google. And then the next thing I would like you to do today is you're going to go ahead and use that personal calendar. Let me just get through all this, to individual calendars, which the process will do something like this. So you take your individual calendar, which has notes and information, you're going to copy it onto the group calendar, which has all this information from individuals. So 3 people in your team have individual information that's being combined into the group calendars. So that's job 1 for today, right there. Any questions? I'm here for you. And I'll explain jobs 2 and 3 right there when you come in.
So I'm going to explain jobs 2 and 3 in just a second.
Thank you, Ashley. So that's job 1 for today, right there.
So then, let's see. Okay, so on the backs of your calendars, of your group calendars, you should be illustrating. So we'll continue today.
You
should be illustrating
do a diagram
what happened that month.
Well, that month. So yeah, this table. You can see the back of each one.
So I can look at these backs and tell which month of evolution these people are diagramming. So I know this is Precambrian, probably January, with the volcano, with the no oxygen, with the methane, with the ammonia gas.
Everybody should be illustrating what's going on during the time.
I see she's building complex organisms, multi-celled organisms, and single cells. So I know this is probably sometime in November. Why? Because I can see multi-celled organisms beginning to form right there. So on the back of each of the 12 calendar sheets, you should be diagramming what was happening on Earth during that time. Every person should be helping. No one should be saying something like, oh, I'm just waiting for her to finish. Everybody should be working all the time. Everybody should be illustrating the backs of the calendars. When we get to December, you can see December. I can tell this is December because look at how busy it is. Lots and lots of diagrams for December because December was a really busy month. A lot of things happen in December. We have dinosaurs appearing in December. So December is a super busy time. Okay, and then the very next thing you're going to do, the last thing we're going to do, is you're going to, so job 2 right here, you're sending me what would happen if questions. So higher order thinking questions. So what would happen if bacteria had not evolved during the Precambrian and there would be no oxygen in the atmosphere? This is what would happen if something different would have happened to the Earth. So no bacteria, no oxygen. So what would happen if, and then for your time period, and then the answer. So what would happen if trees were not here in the Carboniferous period? The oxygen levels would not be as high as they are today. So we'd have a worse global warming problem because of all the carbon dioxide. There wouldn't be plants and trees to take away the carbon dioxide. So what would happen if questions? And you're sending me those questions, one from each group with the group name up top.